Hi guys, this is about an internet crime report which is given by the ICQ website, that is Internet Crime Complaint Center. These reports are created based on the total number of crime complaints received by this website per year. The partners of this website is FBI and the NW3C, that is National White Collar Crime Center. So these are the submissions of FBI and the NW3C. And this NW3C is funded by Bureau of Justice Assistance. So you can also check whether you are in the blacklist by visiting this website. Let me show you. So let us have a look at this website. Of course, I'll also be in the blacklist. So if you keep on searching about hacking related informations, you will be automatically listed here due to your suspicious activity. These automatic systems have a list of keywords in its database like terrorism, explosives, hacking, cybercrime, etc. If you searched anything like this and the keyword you entered is matched with their keyword which is in the database, for example, if you searched for killing terrors, you will be tracked automatically and caught by the police and you will be investigated. So be aware of the internet, you are being watched. Even if you typed a text like this, and erased it without entering it, it will also be stored in the permanent database. Even there are lots of systems like the hacking activity and cyber crimes are also increasing. Hackers always have their own way of attacking their target. So if you feel you got hacked and you need help, you can contact this, you can file a complaint in this ICQ website. So these reports are based on the complaints given by the individuals who are all facing problems due to their cyber criminals. So this ICQ website is useful for both the victims and for the law enforcement agencies, which helps in resolving their cyber complaints. This is the actual report provided by this website up to the year 2013, which states about 2 to 3 lakh cybercrime complaints are constantly being received from the year 2004 to 13. This states the top 5 countries ranked by ICQ in the year 2013 by the total number of complaints received. This report states that it received most of its complaint, about 90.63% is received from the United States. This is the detailed picture which shows top 10 states from where it is receiving most of its complaint. So the final loss is about $100,000 due to this cyber activities, which is given by the report in 2013. These reports are created at the end of each year. The reports for 2014 is expected to be in the progress. You can check these reports at ICQ website. You can also check it in our course, and these reports will also be updated yearly in this section. So stay connected. Catch you up in the next video. Thank you.